Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with another wig install video for you guys. This wig is from WIGNEE Hair. This is their 26-inch deep wave 4x4 transparent lace unit. So I do have it is like that 4x4 closure. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the con out the way already. The con that I came across, me personally, was just these track showing on the sides. So I can't really do as much of the pushback method that I would like to, but I went ahead and just kind of concealed it with baby hairs. Baby hairs always concealing stuff, concealing lace, concealing tracks. It is what it is. We just got to use them. So but as you can see, these waves are popping. I love the length. It's really, really pretty. Now, this density might not be enough for some people, and I believe you can adjust the density when you actually order the unit, but it's really, really long, and I like it, the density, because it looks more natural in my opinion. So I am wearing it as a middle part, but you have that whole 4x4 parting space to do what you want with it. To get these waves to kind of pop and to stay in place, I just used a spray bottle of water and this extreme wet line gel. I just put, like, you know, a good amount in my hand, start at the bottom, and then just run it through. And then I use the actual brush that they sent. Now, this wig does come in a box just like this. You open it up and it has your wig sitting in there, of course, and then they randomly sent me one roller and then a wig cap and the brush. So I love this brush because it just literally glided through this hair. So perfect. But yeah, the only other con that I can think of is the hair does tangle a little bit. I wore it to my birthday celebration and I wore it to my daughter's birthday celebration the next day, and I just noticed some tangling as well. So just be aware of that, and you're kind of always going to get that with curly deep wave type units. Just kind of keep that paddle brush with you, maybe a little mini spray bottle, head to the bathroom, freshen that wig right on up. So other than that, it's a nice unit. So you will see me installing this little mama on. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, stay hustling, and I will see y'all later.